Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we're slow today, extremely slow. Bitcoin is holding quite well actually compared to many of the altcoins, which are just being suffering extremely. So we have obviously the key coins which have been called a security or defined as security by the SEC. They are suffering mainly, like ADA, Matic, Solana and a few others. Whereas Bitcoin is actually holding quite well. The commentary from the previous video hasn't changed. So I want to do just a quick one here just to highlight again the relevant levels. So it is very simple. The fact that we are basically squeezed between the 50% retracement level of this move to the upside, which peaked on the 6th of June, and between the 50% retracement level of the move down, it just makes it extremely difficult to say what is going to happen likely. What I can tell you is that the move to the upside of the Wednesday low is very corrective. So my interpretation is that it should follow through to the downside, and I like to call the yellow wave count, the downside count, my primary wave count. I do have to move everything further to the right hand side though, but the idea is that we are going to follow through to the downside, make another low, ideally in the region 24.5k roughly. But first of all, to confirm that Bitcoin would need to break through the 78.6 retracement at 25,800. To make it very simple, don't want to discuss the count again. I did that in previous videos. Nothing changed, literally nothing today. Extremely boring day for Bitcoin. Altcoins, however, came down nicely, which is to a degree good because we need that final flush to complete the correction. What worries me a little bit is that Bitcoin hasn't moved at all. And I don't know what happens if Bitcoin now finally does the flush. Can the altcoins hold? We often see that, we often see that altcoins move first, then Bitcoin, and so they move, back and forth, not all at the same time. But in recent weeks, Bitcoin did hold quite well compared to many altcoins, to be honest. So yeah, Bitcoin still needs to fulfill its hopefully destiny of making one more low. Again, it doesn't need to, but my view is I keep focus on the downside here as long as Bitcoin stays below the resistance area, because a break above resistance would indicate that we are in the short-term bullish wave count, which is the orange one, in which we see the move up as an impulse, possibly as an A wave. We're coming down in a B wave, and we should then rally up in a C wave. But that, for me, is only going to get more likely if price breaks above 27,140. And at the moment, it's just sitting between two 50% retracement levels, completely undecided, hasn't made up its mind yet. So I can't really add anything to the previous video. I'll make it quick and hope you have a great start to the weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.